2020, the year we will never forget, and the pandemic we would hardly forgive. But let's forget each pain for today's Eve as it's Christmas, and that's our theme. Merry Christmas to you and your family. We feel honored to have all of you with us. Now let's gain some knowledge about Christmas, Jesus, and of course Santa by inviting Yog Yogita and Anushka.
Today I am going to tell you that why Christmas is special festival for kids. Christmas is very special festival for kids. On this day, they decorate Xmas tree and their homes. It means laughter, cheer and joy. Shopping at malls, getting gifts and eating a lot of candies and just have fun all the day for children. Thank you everyone and once again wish you a Merry Christmas.
The festival of Christmas is called the Feast of the Christ. It is celebrated as the Christian holiday to pay honor as well as commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is believed as the Son of the God for years by the people of Christian religion. It is also celebrated by the non-Christians as a cultural holiday in December. It is observed in winter season. Everyone waits for the arrival of Christmas very eagerly. It is observed on the 25th of December with the huge preparations and decorations. Christmas trees, Christmas cards, Santa Claus, gifts, etc. matters a lot at this occasion. The 25th December is most important day of the year for the Christians. They also celebrate the festival of Easter to remember the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Thank you and have a nice evening.
Thank you. The world is all about facts and interest. So let's call Ritesh to deliver some interesting facts about Christmas.
The fact for the day is the tallest Christmas tree ever displayed was in Washington. It measured 221 feet tall. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritesh. The next is a pleasant poem by Jia.
The wind blowing with the cool breeze air, the children are singing everywhere. The laughter and joy are always shared. These are the signs that Christmas spirit is in the air. The love we'll give will always be felt. The message we convey will now be sent. The poor and needy will now be fed. These are the signs that Christmas spirit is in the air. People everywhere are having fun. The fathers are bonding with their son. The quarrels fight are already done. These are the signs that Christmas spirit is not yet gone. Thank you everyone and once again Merry Christmas to all of you.
Art is something which is felt by the heart. Art is something which speaks a lot without a mouth. So let's invite Anushka, Jatin, Yog.
Hello friends, I am Jatin and here is my artwork.
Thank you for such beautiful paintings. So guys, let us remind that this Christmas we are not just celebrating gifts, food or parties, but also Christ is coming. Let's now play and make a good cheer because Christmas comes once a year. So Srishti, now it's your turn to make everyone active by singing Carol.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells of bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh!
Thank you. So come on Arman, dance from your heart and and love the music, and the audience will love you in return.
Bird machine check. Check.
Thank you for such a pleasant performance. It's Christmas, a season of joy, love, and happiness. Let's forget each pain, heartbreak, fear, worries, and all the negative things that happened this year, not just for the day, but forever. It's time to move on forever and a day. God, thank you for all the blessings, peace, and love. Everyone, Merry Christmas and thank you.